In today's video, I'll show you how to add products to Shopify from CJ Dropshipping quickly and easily. Start by opening your browser and logging into your Shopify account. Once you are inside the Shopify admin panel, head over to the Apps section. This is where you manage and install tools that extend your store's features. Next, open the Shopify App Store and search for the CJ Dropshipping app. Once you find it, install the app. The setup only takes a moment. After installation, open the app and either log into your existing CJ account or create a new one if you're just getting started. Now, you'll need to authorize the connection between CJ Dropshipping and your Shopify store. Follow the on-screen steps and allow the required permissions so both platforms can sync properly. Once connected, you can start browsing products, use the search bar, explore categories, or check trending items inside the CJ dashboard. When you find a product you like, open it to review details such as pricing, shipping options, and product images. To add it to your store, click the List button. A window will appear allowing you to customize the product title, description, images, variants, and pricing. Adjust these details to match your brand and store strategy. Finally, choose the correct product type and vendor, then click List Now to publish the product to your Shopify store. And that's it. You've successfully added products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Keep exploring the catalog to grow and optimize your store. Thanks for watching.